welcome to the very first and introductory video for Exit 45 Restorations. New channel, just coming out. It's not something I ever really anticipated I'd ever do. In fact, I kind of was basically telling everybody, no, I'm not going to do anything like this, but here I am. So, I mean, just a little bit of history. I'm new to this restoration thing. I've done a couple of vehicles now. One was a 1969 Beetle sedan. It was for my brother. The second vehicle that I did was a 1997 Jeep Wrangler. You can see behind me, this is my third vehicle. This is a 1964 Thunderbird. And this will be the first vehicle that I kind of document via video and put on the channel. And as you can see, I'm already into it. So I apologize about that. I just didn't decide to do this until I'd already done all the teardown. So as you can see, this right now is really just a shell. It is a sheet metal at this point. There's very little wrong with it. When I bought the car, came from Colorado. Gentleman out there owns, oh my gosh, like 80 acres of nothing but classic cars. And found this thing, almost a completely rust-free car, all original. So I went ahead and got it, decided I'm going to go ahead and work on this. I also bought a 1963 C10, same condition, all original, very little rust, in great condition. And I've got that sitting outside. That's going to be down the road a little bit. I got this one, and then the next one I got after this one is a 1972 Beetle for my daughter, my older daughter. She's been wanting a convertible Beetle. I found one, went and got that. You'll hear about that later. That was an adventure. We got it home, got it sitting in her carport. It's all ready to go. So as soon as I get this one, I'm going to pull that one in because that won't take me very long, probably 6 maybe or so months to knock out that Volkswagen. That'll go very quickly. There's not a lot to them. And then I can get on to my C10. So that's kind of a lineup that I've got coming to the video world, on this channel. But remember, it doesn't matter what I'm working on. I could be working on a Beetle, my Thunderbird, my truck. It doesn't really matter because the process is the same. You're going to learn some things about the process. We do this, we're going to tear it down. We're going to do this next. We're going to do this. And, ultimately putting a hood on is putting a hood on, so while this may not be the exact car you're going to work on or you're currently working on, it's close enough that you can learn something. And that's why I decided to do this. That's where we're at. Now, I will tell you this, and this, I wasn't sure I was actually going to kind of do this, but so the Volkswagen, when I did that one, the first project I did, it has a crazy paint job on it. I would get metal flake all over me, all over everything. The ground, I mean, I have metal flake everywhere. I believe the space station can see my house when the sun hits it just right. There's so much metal flake here. I got on everything, and I came across a couple of places, while I was doing some final sanding and getting ready for my candy coat, where I had burned through a little bit on the glitter coat, so I had to fix that. And so one of the things I did was I would get some clear coat and I would paint over it, and then I would take some of the metal flake, and then I would just blow it on there, just with my air. I'd breathe on it, I'd blow it, and I'd just get it to stick on there, and then I'd hit it some more, and I get that glitter kind of to cover that area up again so it'd be ready to go. Well, they took pictures and video of me doing that, and that got from my wife, and she sent that off to all her friends, and they have a call every week, so she sent that off to them, and then they ran with that. And long story short on that, I end up with a nickname of Cinnamon Sparkles. Yeah. At least it's a nickname with them. Nobody else calls me that, but they do. And so a quick shout out to the Get Down gang from K-State. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everything you guys do for my wife. You guys all help each other, and you guys are great friends, and I love that. Keep it up. And other than that, that's it. I don't have anything else. I just wanted to kind of introduce the channel, introduce me. My name is Matt. I don't know if I said that. If I didn't, sorry. But that's where we're at, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting together these videos, and we're gonna start getting them out and let you see where we're at. I think the first one I've already got done on this one, and it's really just an introduction to where it's at, what I've done so far, and kind of where I'm going, and then we'll go from there. All right, so that's it. I appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.